How to stop threats notification on Instagram. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you could stop the threats notification on Instagram. For this, at first you have to launch the very Instagram application on your device. You have to find the very Instagram application on your device, and after you find it, you have to tap on it. After tapping on it, Instagram will be launched on your device. Now, after Instagram is launched on your very device, what you have to do is you have to go and find your very account in Instagram and then log in to your very account in Instagram. Sometimes the lagging of internet connection may make it a little slower. Therefore, you have to wait for a while until you get a very stable internet connection. And after you find the very stable internet connection, you can log into your very account. After you log into your account on Instagram, now what you can do is you can just go to your profile on Instagram. After tapping on your profile on your Instagram, now you can go to the three lines on the very right side. After tapping on the three lines on the right side, now here you have to just go to the option of notifications. When you tap on the notification here, you can see the option of threads, but if you do not see the option of threads, then you can directly go to the option of pause all here, and then you have to set it up to the very time that you want. It could be any of that. It could be 8 hours, 15 minutes, or any of those. You just have to tap on this, and this way all of the notification will be buzzed, including your threads. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.